Hey guys, just a quick little intro. Just got back today. Uh, so I just left those crappy, shitty, jerk off, whatever you want to call them, customers' house. Not a acknowledgement of my existence, not any small talk, not a thank you, nothing. And I'm doing all this extra stuff for them for free. Ridiculous, huh? I know I've said it a billion times, but I'm fresh off of it right now. Also, I wanted to say that I'm not going back there tomorrow. I didn't quite get finished at their house, but I'll make them a little more happy maybe, because I got both of the humidifiers going. But tomorrow I'll be back out at that big remodel job. I'm going to set a couple heat pumps, keep working on my zone wiring, just keep plugging away at it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow on that. Enjoy today's video. Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC. It is Monday, October 14th, 2024. Beautiful October 14th. It is supposed to be close to 80 today, which is pretty rare for here in middle October in the high desert. But we get a rude awakening tomorrow, or Wednesday and Thursday. We might not even get out of the low 50s, so maybe a chance of some mixed rain and snow overnight. I'm not ready for that yet either, but we'll get there. So I'm headed out to these people that are kind of jerks, really. I was 50-50 when I woke up this morning to just have somebody else finish it. If they wanted to deduct it from my final bill, so be it. I just I don't like to be treated that way. And if it means I lose a little bit of money, I lose a little bit of money. You know, having lower stress is worth more to me than a little bit of cash. So we're gonna head out there, taking it slow. I'm taking the back roads. Get there when I get there. I'll get done when I get done. You know, my days of kissing people's ass, especially when they're not grateful, are over. You want to treat me with respect and you know, treat me with professionalism on your end of things, just like I do with you. Then you're gonna get my best foot forward, you know. But if you want to play games and then make threats of withholding money and just being not being a good person, then you know, you're gonna get what you get out of me. You know, it's hard for me this day and age to stay motivated when someone's a jerk to me. I just I don't want to work. I have really good customers out there right now that aren't getting me today because of these people. You know, you know, people like this strike fear. They're going to go on the internet and badmouth my company. So, you know, it's that fear and the fact they're withholding money that I gotta go out there. So. Hopefully this saga's over. We can get to good stuff, you know. I know it makes for good video with drama and whatnot, but hopefully it all blows over here and we'll have a good winter. So I'll see you out there. All right, guys, we're finally back here. So I'm getting ready to take my air cleaner to round fitting off there, this elbow, and then if you come over here, my 20 by 20 duct here. I should have made this all up in my shop, but I haven't felt like working on it. 39 inches tall. I'll make a box. I got my end cap over there. I'm going to bend a 1 inch in, put that on. I'll be able to tap my 16-inch round in, and then the other side I can put the humidifier. So let's get started. Okay, I got that all torn out of there. Should be able to just make my box. I'll cut my round in it. Do some measurements here. There's all the old stuff. Whoop-de-doo, huh? gonna drink some coffee, take my time. 40 inches, 40 and 40. Let's do it. Ta-da, we got a 40-inch piece. I'm gonna bend my 1 inch over on that, put my end cap on the other side. Got my measurements for where I need to put my round hole. We'll keep moving on. I know a guy mentioned yesterday or a couple days ago that I should get a tripod and you know, video more while I'm actually doing this work, but I've showed you guys all this stuff in my shop. I just want to show you guys my progression on the jobs. I don't have time to be setting up tripods and doing all that, especially customers like this. So let's keep moving on. Okay, I got my round in there, got my end cap on, got my 1 inch bent on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and tape this up good. I'll probably insulate these 3 sides and the top, so I don't have to do it after. Then I don't have to worry about insulating this side, or sorry, insulating the opposite side where the humidifier is going. Yeah, so I'll get this side, that side, and the top, and then the humidifier side be open. Yeah. Now I'll probably insulate it after. Try to cram in what I can, because I might fight it if I insulate it before. So it'll be fine. I'm gonna go over there and dovetail the elbow now, so I can just bend it over and seal it off. Screw it, seal it off. Easy money. So now I'll just cut my hole for my humidifier, and I can just dovetail into that. Use my hole to bend my dovetails over. I can start, get this screw down, and I can start doing my humidifier. Alright guys, I got my humidifier hole cut. I can bend my tabs over, seal, pookie that up real good. Then I'll just pookie my end cap from the inside. I decided to do that. Then I get the humidifier mounted. Alright guys, got her all pookied up. I got these 3 sides of this cap pookied up. Let's go ahead and I'll just tape the outside here. It's going to get wrapped anyway. Let's mount this humidifier. Alright guys, I got her all mounted up there. I'm going to start working on the water line now. I was able to pull my, let me show you. So pull my silicone out of that hole. I'll just feed my line through there. Try to keep it insulated through there so it's not touching the concrete, obviously. But yeah, I got to go run to the hardware store and get a T fitting, because I don't like using those saddle valves. Hopefully the Wilco small hardware store has those. Okay guys, a little bit of too much traffic for me to get every shot for you. I got my water line pulled through here, insulated. I just used one of my 1/4 inch JMF lines. Got my drain stuck here. Probably just put a couple zip ties on it to hold it. I don't have any hose clamps. I'll be fine. Then I got my low voltage wire pulled through there. Just 2 wires, one to hot, one to the dry contacts and the thermostat. I'm gonna go downstairs, or down in the crawl space now, and tie my water line in. Alright guys, as you can see from that green light up there, she's a-running. Had a little bit of low voltage issue, got it fixed up. That's what was wrong with that one. I had my U1 contact screwed up. So he's now working fine, humidity wise. This one's got humidity. I just got to come back. It's about 4 o'clock. I'm going to come back, wrap this, seal everything up, clean up my zip ties, make everything nice. I got to extend this cord a little bit so it's not so tight there, so I can make it nice and clean. A couple clamps on my water line down below. But other than that, we should be done. Oh, and then I got a little bit of flex there to fix a couple of the 6-inch runs for them. And I'll be out of here. Yeah, all I had to do on this one was I had it on the R terminal on the zone panel. Obviously my dry contacts, I need to have a common, so I didn't have any common for the circuit for the solenoid, you know, with the common just sitting there. What I had was just 2 hots sitting there, which wasn't going to do me any damn good. So completing the circuit didn't do me any good, so I just landed it on one of the C terminals in the panel. Voila, we're good. So I was able to get that back on there, so it's not going to leak. Nothing wrong with the solenoid valve. I just won't pick it up with Johnstone, and we're good to go. So yeah, I'll finally be out of here soon. I'd stay the extra couple hours and finish things up, but I got to get home. I got things I got to do. So I'll see you guys next time. All right guys, rolling on out of here. So You know, I didn't get a lot of video on a lot of the work I did. I got video what I could. I'm just I wanted to get as much done as I could as quickly as I could. No thank you from them. No small talk. You know, I can tell when somebody's you know, not liking what's going on here. Well, the feeling's mutual. Just ridiculous. The mentality. I said hello to the wife. She didn't even acknowledge my existence. That's the type of person that she is. Meanwhile, basically everything I'm doing is for free. And you guys are gonna tell me that I'm stupid for doing it, but hey, they're holding $12,000 ransom. What am I gonna do? Say, nope, I'm not doing any more work. You can see me in court. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna get a little bit less money for doing a little extra work, and I'm still gonna get paid, and I'm never seeing them again. They want to call for service or something, they call somebody else, call somebody closer. This job's too far away for me anyway. They're just jerks. You know, no thank you, no, hey, no Josh, I'll meet you halfway. You know, I know you're doing this all on your own dime. You know, I didn't even replace that solenoid on the other humidifier. I didn't have to. I just had it wired wrong. My brain was fried. I was looking at those contacts as 24 volts, not dry contacts, that, you know, that close, you know, basically normally open contacts. My brain just wasn't working. Okay, it happens. My brain's getting fried sometimes. So I got to come back for a few hours, like I said, wrap some duct, put lipstick on a pig. I'm going to show you guys the duct down there. The guys that did the duct work down there should be ashamed of themselves. You could tell they just wanted to get the hell out of there as quick as they could. No bueno. And I'm paying the price. And you know, Ted Cook was right. I should have looked at it better. I did go down there originally and look at stuff, but you know, their old system was working fine, he said. But I'm not taking their word for it. It probably worked like shit before, and now I'm holding the bag to make it work the way it should have worked. You know what I mean? So I'm sure we've all been in this situation. I just happen to, you know, wear all the hats, so I have to deal with every aspect of it, which is fine. I got big shoulders. I can do it. And once this job's over with, you guys are going to see some. You guys are going to see some magic, because I'll have all this stress off of me, and I'll be able to relax and enjoy my life like I want to. I'll see you guys tomorrow.